Hi, I'm Chris Osborne, Territory Manager for Euro Auctions. I'm here at our Leeds site, which is our largest auction site at around 80 acres in size. Every auction, buyers and sellers from all over the world will come here to see the equipment we have on offer. Follow me and I'll show you around. Our Leeds auction site is our flagship site at around 80 acres in size. In early 2020, we completed the extension and renovation, creating a facility like no other in Europe. The size of this site now allows us to regularly hold auctions of over 5,000 lots and gives us the space needed to turn over this amount of equipment. So we conduct a parade-style auction. So what you can see behind me is the machines queuing up to drive onto ramp 2. Each machine is grouped into their individual categories, usually in size, going from largest to smallest. They drive onto the ramp in their groups, they're sold, and this just gives buyers some confidence in the equipment that they're buying. They can see it running, they can see, they can see it tracking, driving, and just make their own judgment onto the kind of condition that that machine is in. So this truck here we use to drive around the yard selling equipment in Ring 3. And what we have here in this building is a virtual ring where you can bid on equipment being sold in Ring 3 without having to leave the auction arena. What you can see behind me is a huge new wash facility which allows us to wash and prepare the machines so that they're presented as well as can be for the auction. And over here is the workshop for any more in-depth prep work or repairs that are needed. Check out our workshop area. You will not find another facility to this size or scale or with our capabilities at any other auction site in the UK. So globally, we are seeing a shortage of new equipment availability coming through. That is leading people to turn to good, late, low-hourred machinery as a viable option. You can see in our recent sales that we get plenty of good, fresh and new equipment coming through, whether it be plant, commercial vehicles, agricultural equipment, machines just like these. So a little about the services that we provide. From a seller's perspective, we aim to make the process of getting the best possible value for a piece of equipment as hassle-free as possible. We offer an end-to-end service from collection to preparation and then the sale and invoicing away from you, so it is completely hassle-free for the seller. So you've seen the facilities that we have to offer, and by talking to us early, it allows us to make best use of them through selecting the best auction, presenting the equipment in the best way, making the most of marketing, and ultimately getting the best return. So for buyers, we're here to help as well. We'll work closely with shipping agents around the world to help with any of the worldwide shipping needs that we have. We can help with haulage and transportation to whatever levels needed. And on auction days, many buyers might not be able to make it to the sale these days, so we're often asked to perhaps get some more detailed photographs or videos of a specific piece of machinery or in a specific place, or test something out for them, which we're obviously always happy to do, because we want to make doing business with us as easy as possible and convenient for the buyers and give them confidence in what they're buying. I think this convenience and making buying from us so simple is priceless for many buyers. So people can come here and maybe just spend one day inspecting equipment and then go home and bid online, or maybe not even make the sale. And they can buy everything from trailers to attachments to much larger pieces of machinery, excavators and dump trucks, all in one place, and save on haulage, save on time. And I think that convenience is what people really want these days. So what we've managed to achieve here is a real alternative to buying equipment from a dealership. The vast choice of makes, models, ages and price points to suit all budgets here is invaluable. At any one sale, we'll sell in excess of 500 excavators, hundreds of dozers, hundreds of wheel loaders, and that's what makes Euro Auctions, and particularly this site, so special.